Are you ready to embark on a musical journey like no other? With the rise of artificial intelligence and music technology, creating your very own AI-generated song has become easier than ever before. Gone are the days of struggling to come up with a catchy melody or getting stuck in a writing rut. Now, with just a simple idea and the right tools, you can craft a song that is uniquely yours and completely AI-generated. So, let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of AI-generated music and how you can turn your idea into a melody. Firstly, what exactly is AI-generated music? It is the process of using artificial intelligence algorithms and machine learning to create music. These algorithms analyze vast amounts of existing music data and use it to generate new, original compositions. This innovative technology has opened up endless possibilities for musicians and non-musicians alike to create music without any prior musical knowledge. Now, let's talk about how you can craft your first AI-generated song. It all starts with an idea. Just like any other songwriting process, you need to have a central theme or concept in mind. It can be a simple melody, a few words, or even a feeling. Once you have your idea, it's time to find the right AI-generated music software to bring your idea to life. One of the most popular AI-generated music tools is Music. This platform allows you to choose from various styles and moods, and then generates a unique song based on your selected preferences. All you have to do is enter your idea and let the AI do the rest. With Music, you can have a fully produced, high-quality song in just a matter of minutes. Another great AI-generated music software is Ava. This platform uses deep learning algorithms to create original, emotional compositions. With Ava, you can choose from a range of instruments, styles, and moods to customize your song. Plus, you can even collaborate with the AI by directing it to play certain melodies or chord progressions. Now that you have the right tools, it's time to start crafting your song. Remember, there are no limits when it comes to AI-generated music. You can experiment with different styles, moods, and even languages. Let the AI take your idea and transform it into a melody that you never thought possible. Don't be afraid to try new things and see where the music takes you. Of course, as with any creative process, there may be some trial and error involved. Not every AI-generated song will be a masterpiece, but that's the beauty of it. You can keep generating and tweaking until you find the perfect combination that resonates with you. Once you have your AI-generated song, it's time to share it with the world. You can release it on streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music, or use it as background music for your YouTube videos or podcasts. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, crafting your first AI-generated song is a fun and exciting process that anyone can do. With the right idea and the help of AI-generated music tools, you can create a song that is truly unique and reflective of your creativity. So go ahead, relax, and let the AI take you on a musical journey from idea to melody. Who knows, you might just discover a hidden talent for songwriting.